We've only just begun.
Oh, but today, Chiefs fans, woo!
Don't ever make the mistake of sticking your nose in my business.
Woo!
It's so hard for me to sit back here in this studio looking at a guy out here hollering my name.
Woo!
When you walk out here, woo!
Woo!
And give me a hand or try to help me out. Woo!
Woo!
The real world champion.
All the lovely ladies gonna have their phone numbers ready, written on napkins. Woo!
They all want to know what's causing all this.
Styling and profiling.
You know what it is?
Oh, this is a designer polyester / mixed with rayon flannel shirt that I got from Zimbabwe.
Woo!
Showtime! Woo! Showtime! Woo! Strut. My stuff.
You're talking about all man.
Woo!
And ease the tension in our relationship.
Woo!
We're gonna treat all you women, woo, the way women ought to be treated.
You got to dress to impress. Woo! Stop after stop.
Diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, woo, wheeling dealing, limousine right, jet flying, son of a gun.
Wheeling, dealing, kiss stealing, for Ferris wheeling, stealing, wheeling and dealing, son of a gun. Bang, bang. My hair look good today, don't it? Look at the way the sun shines. Hey, cameraman, don't my hair look pretty? Woo! Kansas City Chiefs on the warpath. Root to the bros. Hey, baby, you want to run your fingers through my hair? Don't somebody want to run it through? Run your fingers through this. Just reach over and run your. Just run your fingers through. Girl, you better run your fingers through the hair. It can make me look crazy. Just reach over.